climate and weather you all are aware. And what are the factors affecting the climate, that also we have gone through. Now the seasons. Yesterday we have completed about seasons. Yes, which seasons we have done? Different seasons are there. So we'll be starting with the winter season we have done yesterday, and today we are starting with the summer season, hot weather. This season starts from the month of March and continues till May. Yes, as our winter season ends in the month of February half, and by starting February and half of the March. So from that half of the March, this summer season starts. Now, during this time of the year, the northern part of the earth is inclined towards the sun, and the high temperature condition prevails throughout the North India. Yes, and you can feel high temperature, very hot it is. Complete North India means including our Rajasthan itself. And in Rajasthan, we feel much hot because of the desert. Yes, you all know desert. That is the Thar Desert. It is there in our state. Now, the Thar Desert records temperature more than 50 degrees Celsius. That is Jaisalmer and Bikaner. They are completely under the desert area. And many of you might have visited the desert also. In north western part, the hot dry winds known as loo are blowing during this day. See, we experience this loo in our school also, no? In the month of April and May when we have our school running, hot winds are blowing. And that hot winds, yes, Dia, sit properly, don't play. So we experience this hot winds when we are coming from the school during the noon time. And these winds are called as loo. Okay, the hot winds which we blow during the summer season are called as loo. Okay. 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 So this is the chart you can see about the monsoon map. And now about the advancing monsoon and the rainy season. You all know advancing monsoon means the starting of the monsoon, and this season starts from the mid-June and lasts till the end of the September. You all know the months of this rainy season. And this is monsoon season is also called as rainy season. It is marked by the sudden and heavy rainfall, thunderstorms, lightning, and dry and wet spells of, that is, break in monsoon. During this time of the year, the southwest monsoon wind starts blowing from the Bay of Bengal and the Arabian Sea towards the land. See, we have two types of monsoon, southwest monsoons and northeast monsoon. Southwest means the winds we are blowing from Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal that brings the rainfall. And the northeast monsoon, which the winds which are blowing back from Himalayas and going back to the sea also brings the rainfall. You might see yesterday we had heavy rainfall. So that is called northeast or retreating monsoon. Dear students, the rainfall which we get in the month of November, December, sometimes it is in October also. So this rainfall is called as retreating monsoon. Clear, students? And India gets 90% of rainfall during the monsoon season. Okay, that is southeast monsoon winds. Now, Arabian Sea branch first strikes the Western Ghats. Yes, these winds when they blow from the ocean and comes towards the sea, they first give rainfall to Kerala, Western Ghats area. Okay. and heavy rainfall over 280 to 300 centimeter because it is situated at the windward side. Windward side means direction of wind. On the other side, the Bay of Bengal branch have heavy rainfall in northeastern part of India. And yesterday only I explained about this, the Monsoon Ram. Monsoon Ram is the place in the world which is the wettest place and receives highest rainfall in the world. And yesterday they asked about the driest place. Driest place is Atacama. Okay, it is in North America. As the winds further move inside the continent, the intensity of rainfall goes on decreasing. Yes, the first place which receives the rainfall is Kerala, and as it moves higher, the intensity of rainfall decreases. Means heavy rainfall is received in Kerala, but as it's moving upward, it is coming to our states, the intensity of rainfall decreases. By the time the rain-bearing winds approach North Indian plains, specifically Delhi, they are left with little moisture. And Delhi gets only 56 centimeter of rainfall during the rainy season. Same condition is with Rajasthan also, because there is not much difference between Delhi and Rajasthan. So Rajasthan also receives very rainfall. Why? Because the wind-bearing winds have less moisture. The moisture gets finished when they reach till the northern part of India. Clear, students? So this is the reason why this northern part of India receives less rainfall. And as the winds cross the Bay of Bengal, they pick up moisture and cause the rainfall. And cause rainfall in Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. And that's why the states near the eastern Ghats, they get much rainfall. Clear, students? Now, so this is the retreating monsoon. Yesterday what we had was retreating monsoon. This seasons of retreating monsoon starts from the month of October and extends till November. Sometimes it may extend till December also. This is the transition period between the low pressure conditions in summer and high pressure conditions in the winter season. In this season, the monsoon wind starts their journey back towards the sea. So retreating monsoon starts because this monsoon wind starts their journey. They start again blowing and start moving towards the sea. Because the first when the winds come from the seaside ocean, they bring the rainfall. So they are going back to the sea and they bring rainfall. Clear, students? And this process of retreat is gradual. The monsoon retreat from India completed by November. This season is marked by severe cyclones in the Bay of Bengal. They hit the eastern coast and wreak havoc in the districts of West Bengal, Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Yesterday it had brought the severe condition in our Dover itself also. You may have seen so heavy wind was blowing and it got the rainfall. Yes, students, so this is the retreating monsoon. The winds which are going back to the sea bring rainfall in the month of October to December. Mostly it is October, November. Sometimes it extends to the December also. Now the distribution of rainfall. How rainfall is distributed. India gets most of its rainfall during the monsoon season. You all know that it rains for 4 months. This retreating monsoon is in a once or a twice only. The distribution of rainfall is highly uneven and varies from place to place. Yes, it is not that all over India it's very heavy rainfall. It's not like that. It is according to the place and the climatic condition, the rainfall differs. Now areas of heavy rainfall. Which are the areas of heavy rainfall? These are the areas which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall are called as heavy rainfall area. They are west coast, northeastern part of India, specifically Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim and West Bengal. These are the areas which receive rainfall more than 200 centimeters. Clear students? These are the areas which receive more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. You can see on the map. See the areas which receive rainfalls. The lowest rainfall is 0 to 20 centimeter. That can be found in these parts of desert, Rajasthan, and here also Ladakh desert. These are the areas which receive very less rainfall. Clear students? The desert area of Rajasthan and Ladakh. Then 20 to 40 centimeters. Some parts of Rajasthan and Kutch and also some parts of Kashmir. They receive the rainfall between 20 to 40 centimeter. Now, the areas which receive 40 to 60 centimeters are also some parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat and Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? And some part of this Deccan Plateau. You can see this also area receives very less rainfall, that is 40 to 60 centimeter, grey color. Now the areas which receive 60 to 100 centimeter is some parts of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and parts of Deccan Plateau. And this area you can see, this is the northern plains and some part of Chota Nagpur Plateau. They receive 100 to 200 centimeters. Okay. And this area, yellow color, Western Ghats and eastern part of India. You can see this arrow. They are receiving rainfall above 2 to 400 centimeters. Clear? And in between there are areas which receive above 400 centimeter rainfall also. That is this western coastal plain area that receives above 400 centimeter and some part of this eastern India which is receiving the highest rainfall of 400 centimeter. Now the areas of moderate means between 100 to 200 centimeter. Here students, heavy rainfall is more than 200 centimeter rainfall and the moderate rainfall that is 100 to 200 centimeter. These are the states of southern parts of Gujarat, East Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Bihar, Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Eastern Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and the middle Ganga Valley. Just now only we have seen these things in the map of India also. So the moderate rainfall means not so heavy rainfall. They are called as the 100 to 200 centimeter area and these are the states of some parts of Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Bengal, Bihar, Eastern Uttar Pradesh, Eastern Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and the middle Ganga Valley, the Ganga Valley region. Now, the rainfall with the low area, low centimeter of rainfall. These are the between 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. Less than 50 also. It can be between 20 to 40 centimeter of rainfall. So, which are the areas? Westernmost part of Rajasthan, Kutch, Punjab and northern part of Srinagar, that is in Jammu and Kashmir. Clear? So these are the areas which receive very low rainfall. Clear students? 50 to 100 centimeter of rainfall or less than that are called as low rainfall area and you all are aware. Okay, some parts of eastern and western Rajasthan, Kutch is in Gujarat. Clear students? Punjab and northern part of Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir are the areas which receive very low rainfall. Now we move towards the next part of this chapter, that is natural vegetation and wildlife. Clear students? Natural vegetation and the wildlife. Different types of vegetation are growing and you know that we are not growing there. They are growing on their own. Yes? Vegetation which refers to the community of plants which have grown naturally without the interference of man and remains intact and undisturbed. This is called natural vegetation. Clear students? Natural vegetation means the vegetation which grow on their own without human help. We are not watering the plants, we are not growing anything. They are growing on their own. It is called as natural vegetation. It includes all sort of trees, shrubs and grasses. There are 5 main categories which can be identified in India. Clear, students? 5 main types of forests are there. They are tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest, mountain forest, and mangrove forest. Clear, students? So these are the different types of vegetation in India in different area. Okay, we can't say that they are found in Rajasthan. No, in Rajasthan we have thorny forest, desert type forest are grown. So we will be studying this in detail. One slide will go through which type of vegetation is found in which area. See, it is just explaining. You can see here canopy area. What these are the different types of areas which are found. Okay, see the ground level in the forest. What type of scene is there? See, ground layer is there. Grasses and plants are there. Then shrubs. They grow with the help of other trees. Understory means where some trees are there, and canopy. Canopy is the area where we cannot even see the sun. It is completely covered. That thing is called canopy. Okay. Now we'll see in detail about different types of vegetation. The first is tropical evergreen forest. Now, the tropical evergreen forest, they are found in heavy rainfall. Evergreen. By the word you understand means they are completely throughout the year they are evergreen. They remain green. Yes. So how can they remain evergreen? Because they get plenty of rainfall. Because only its rainwater helps them to grow. So these forests are mainly found in the areas receiving heavy rainfall more than 200 centimeters like Western Ghats, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Andaman Nicobar Islands. These are the areas which receive more than 200 centimeter rainfall. These forests are humid. These forests are humid, hot, humid, swampy and are wet throughout the year because they are so dense that sun rays cannot penetrate deep into it. Yes, because of rainfall, continuous heavy rainfall they receive. So they are not getting dried and they are so deep that sunlight also cannot reach. That is the canopy. So they are wet throughout and throughout the year they are growing. Some of the important tree species found in this type of forest are the type of trees means the type of trees which are found are rubber, mahogany, ebony, chinchona are the some of the trees as we find in our Rajasthan. Care, kikar, cactus, yes. But in evergreen forest, which type of trees are there? Rubber trees. Rubber also needs plenty of water. Mahogany, ebony, chinchona, all are the trees which are found in this evergreen forest. Some of the species of animals found are elephant, monkey and deer. Economically, they are less important. Yes, see, elephants, monkey. See, elephants are useful to carry the heavy loads, but monkey and deer, they are not useful. Clear? So, this was about the tropical evergreen forest. Now we move towards the next forest, that is tropical deciduous forest. These are the forests which are found in the areas receiving between 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter rainfall. So students, it is clear tropical evergreen forests, they are found in the region heavy rainfall. more than 200 centimeters of rainfall. But the tropical deciduous forests are found in the areas receiving 100 to 200 centimeters of rainfall. This is the most widely spread vegetation in India. Unlike evergreen forests, they shed their leaves all together for about 1.5 months. Hence, hence the name deciduous. Yes, see, in evergreen forest, what was happening? All they do not shed the leaves together. So they were remaining evergreen throughout the year. But in this deciduous forest, all the forests, they shed their leaves completely together. So they get without leaves shedded. All they shed their leaves. The mainly found on leafward side of Western Ghats, Gangetic Plains, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and in the Shivalik. Shivalik is the Himalayan range, third and the lowermost range of Himalayas. Yes, Shivalik is the Himalayan range. So these are the deciduous forests are found in the parts of Western Ghats, Gangetic Plains, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and some parts of Shivalik mountain range. Some of the prominent tree species found here are teak, sal, sesam, maua, kusum, etc. Yes, students, the important trees which are found in deciduous forests are sesam, teak, sal. These all are hardwood. Okay, students, these all trees have hardwood and very much durable. Durability is much more. Maua, kusum, etc. And these are used for making furniture and sandalwood. Every tree in this forest has its own time of leaf casting. Leaf casting means they have their own time when they have to shed their leaves. According to the availability of water, they can be divided into subgroups, moist and dry deciduous forests. Yes. So these trees, they divide into two parts, that is moist and dry deciduous forests. Some of the common animals found are lion, pig, deer and elephant. So animals are also found according to the climatic conditions. So which animals are there? Lion, pig, deer and elephant are the animals which are found in the tropical deciduous forest. Clear, students? Now, tropical thorny forest, areas which receive less than 50 centimeters of rainfall. Clear? So, which areas receive less than 50 centimeter rainfall are called as tropical thorny forest. So, less than 50 centimeter rainfall. So, which parts you all know? We have gone through the areas of rainfall. Yes, some parts of Rajasthan, Gujarat, and Punjab. There only we get less than 50 centimeter rainfall. Okay, and they are scattered and the roots are deep in order to obtain water from the ground. Yes, they get water from the ground. Leaves are sharp, pointed and coated with the wax to reduce transpiration. This type of vegetation is called drought resistant vegetation. Why drought? Because you know what is drought? Drought is the condition where there is no rainfall, no water and plants grow on their own according to the, they suck water from the soil. That is called drought. So, tropical thorny forests are also drought resistant vegetation. This type of vegetation is found in northwestern part of the country. Northwestern part means our state Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh and Haryana. So these are the areas which get where we can find tropical thorny forests. Some of the tree species found are cacti, date palm, acai and kher. Yes, students, these are the trees which are found in tropical thorny forest. Animals found here are mostly burrowing animals. Burrowing means which live inside the soil. They dig out and they leave. That is called burrowing. That are rat, mice, rabbit, tiger, lion, and camel. Because they don't get water also. So they remain inside the soil. Okay. So these are the animals which are found in the tropical thorny forest, students. Okay, students. So this was about tropical rainforest, it is found in areas which receive less than 50